Hello everyone. One of the very nice features of Moodle is the forum section in in adding an activity. So if you want your students to be interacting with you and with their classmates inside an online learning class in Moodle, we maximize the use of forum. Okay, I have discussed in one of my lectures that one of the important ingredients of online learning is the social presence of the teacher and the social presence of everyone, classmates, sharing, interacting, so that the learners will be excited to see their classmates. It's just like in the normal face-to-face class. We don't like our students to feel very lonely and alone, experience being alone. Learning should be fun, engaging, and interactive. So that is very important. So tutorial number 5 in the tutorial here will be how to integrate that feature. Okay, so what we will do is add that activity and go to forum. Okay, the term here is forum, but you can change the name to group discussion, group reporting, think, pair, share, dyads, triads, debate. You can even say you can set this up as like that. So click forum. Okay, forum, then add. So once that's already added, you can then say, I'll set up a group discussion. Okay, so you want your students to discuss. So you say, let's discuss the following issues. So this is issue number 1. You can say issue number 2. So you can say, so how do you resolve these issues? Share your opinions or share your thoughts. So once you have set that ready, okay, so you can put your questions there, and these questions should also be found in your lesson design. And then you click simple discussion. Okay, simple discussion. So once that is set, you save and display, and you can see that this is your discussion board. You can see because you clicked simple discussion, you can see the reply section. You can edit also this one, and you can edit, and then you can, in fact, put pictures if you like. There is a editor there there's an editor section there that says insert picture. So reply, if you just try reply. So my answer to the issue is, you can say that. And if you want your students to share support for the issues, to support material to their opinions, to the opinions that they share, they can also click advance. Okay, advance. Let's try that. Okay, so but you can post without going to advance if you are not requiring. I'm just sharing to you just at once that feature. So here, student will share his answer and probably give a support by sharing material. There's essay as a support. So our material as a support reference. So at the bottom, click advance a while ago. And at the bottom, share the material, and then choose the material. Just okay, and I'll get it from here. This is the material, the reference. I just click and open, and then upload. Okay, so you can have two options: with a sharing of a material and with just posting an answer. So a while ago I said you can post an answer with a material by clicking reply and advance. A while ago I said. So you can reply, okay, reply to the issue that is set by the teacher. Student can do that, and then he can just write. So this is just an example. This is my reply. This is my opinion is on a student. You can just submit easily, no problem. You can do that. Submit without a material being attached. If you want a material to be attached, I illustrated a while ago, you can go to advanced. Okay, so that is it. I'll go back now to my first page, front door of the class, and then I have, you can see that the group discussion is already there, already added. I'll just transfer this by dragging. Sorry, transfer this by dragging under lesson. This is not a lesson. It's not a material. This is an activity, learning activity. So I'll put it under my lesson design. And I'll move this to the right so that I'll have it as under that one. Okay, so the discussion board is there, and you can link this to the learning guide. Linking, how do you do that? There's a tutorial. I shared tutorial number 4, how to link a material or any learning activity that you have set up. Link it to the learning guide. I'll give another example here. I'll say you want your students to have debate. Okay, go ahead and forum and debate of 2 groups, for example. So you can say have your debate. Okay. So that's debate. Even if it's a forum, you say they debate, then you put the issue here, and what will be the positive side, and the negative side. Okay, then students will be discussing there. You can put this simple discussion, the reason why we say simple discussion is you can see the string of responses by the students. Okay, and you can save and return to the course, or save and display if you want that to be displayed. You can check. Okay, so that's it. The debate is already there. I can just drag this and move this to another to the under that section here. Right, and then you can say debate. So you can add debate, reporting, group reporting, think, pair, share, dyads, triads. You can have jigsaw. For as long as there's discussion and sharing of ideas and replying to posts of others, to ideas shared by others in the class, you set this up. Don't forget to link this to the lesson guide. Okay, so I hope that I have helped you in setting up discussion sessions in your lesson. So Students will have discussion, students will have debate for probably 1 week, and they will also be reading materials, they will be doing many things. So this has to be very engaging a lesson. And we have to design it that way so that our students will develop critical thinking, the students will enjoy sharing, the students will enjoy researching, because this is online learning. Remember, in the lecture before, cognitive presence is important, social presence is important, teaching presence is important. So teacher must organize this carefully, but above all, this has also to be um, filled with values formation. And I have encouraged our online teachers in my previous lectures that aside from cognitive presence, aside from social presence, aside from the teacher's presence, by organizing this carefully, God's presence must also be in these lessons by sharing the values found from scriptures. Okay? God bless everyone. I hope you will be sharing this to your friends who are interested in how to set up discussion, group sharing of ideas in your online lessons in Moodle. God bless everyone.